To edit a video on your Pixel phone, open the Photos app. Then tap the video you want to edit. The video will begin playing. To see the menu, tap anywhere on the screen. Tap Edit. To trim the video to a different length, tap Video. Then tap and drag the trim handles to select the portion of the video you want to keep. Tap Save Copy. To adjust the video, at the bottom, swipe left. Tap Adjust. You'll see different ways to adjust contrast, color, and light. Select what you want to adjust, then use the slider. Tap Done. To crop the video, tap Crop. To crop the video to a specific aspect ratio, tap the aspect ratio icon. Or to adjust the crop yourself, move a corner of the video or move the side of the image border. To rotate the video, tap to rotate 90 degrees or use the rotation slider. When finished, tap Save Copy. To stabilize a video, tap Video, then tap the Stabilize icon. To add effects to the video, at the bottom, swipe left. Tap Effects. You'll see different effects that you can add. Select the type of effect you want to apply. Tap Save Copy. To reduce unwanted sounds from the audio on your video, tap Audio, then tap Audio Eraser. Tap Auto to have the audio automatically adjusted. If desired, adjust a specific sound sliders to reduce unwanted sounds further. To mark up the video, at the bottom, swipe left. Tap Markup. You can add pen, highlighter, or text to your video. Select the markup tool you want to use, then touch the screen to add your markup. When you're done, tap Done. Tap Save Copy.